Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. So I woke up today and I was outside in the garage doing something I don't even remember, and then my estranged neighbor next door, the old lady that lives to the left of me, she's estranged because I used to help her out a lot when I first moved in, and then she got used to it, so everything that she needed done, she would have me do it, and then she would complain that the ivy was growing over on her side and for me to pick it off. So I'm like, where do you have the gall to, have me be your own personal gardener for free or something, dictating what I should do and kind of like using me, you know what I mean? So we got into a big blowout and stuff, and she's hated by everybody in the neighborhood because she's a witch, So I had it out with her like a few years ago, and we haven't spoken since. Last night we had a big windstorm, rain, wind, and as you guys know, the three sides of my backyard is the cedar wood fences, not the PVC plastic that I only have in the front, right? Because doing the back would cost a fortune, not to mention the fact that I had asked my three neighbors, this side, and that side, at the time, if they would go halvesies with me on the fence, because they would get a brand new fence. All of them declined. So you think I'm going to spend the whole lot doing the three sides and them all getting a free fence for one side of their yard? No. So I'm going to keep repairing that old fence that keeps falling down every time we have a windstorm until the end. I'm not springing for their fences, right? That's pretty similar stories around America. People aren't willing to spend the whole wad. There are some people who have disposable income or something like that. But I'm not going to be that guy. You know what I mean? Anyway, so the wind blew one panel of the fence down on that side onto her yard. Today, she walked by and she says, "Henry?" And I'm like, "Yeah?" "From the big wind last night, one of your panels fell over into my yard." And I says, "Okay, I'll go take a look at it." That's all I said. I didn't say thank you. She didn't say thank you, but it was a civil conversation, if you want, if you will. So I went over and took a look, and as you can see, one panel has just fallen into her property. So, this has happened before. Over the years, the wood gets saturated with the sprinklers, the water, the rain, whatever. It rots. These wood fences, they don't last forever. That's why people get the plastic ones, but the plastic ones are expensive, you know what I mean? Anyway, this should be kind of easy. Reinforce the parts that connect to the two posts, right? And I've got a bunch of old 2x4s. I'll just cut them into pieces and stuff. Push this back up, reinforce the other side. I had a blue doggy pool, for Boba in the summer, which he never uses. Blue over there. I'm gonna go get it. In the meantime, I'm gonna go get some 2x4s and kind of push this up to have it sitting there at least, and then come over on this side. And actually, most of the stuff's gonna be on that side. And there you go. Just another Band-Aid amongst many future Band-Aids, I'm sure. Because they're not willing to spring half. They're not willing to spring half. Actually, I think Steve might, you know, but then we'll only just have one white fence. She's not going to help me, so I'm just going to all let it rot. What do you think about that? Thanks all for joining me on today's short video. It has to be done. Might as well make a video out of it, right? We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.